Hi, Dog Mountain here. And I just want to show you how you can play the game that we call Golden Flower. So if you've reached a point where you have games, you can actually play them from your profile tab. So from here, just trace where it says games, then click that. Okay, we are in, and right away we are going where it says Golden Flower. We want to play Golden Flower. Okay, so here we are. $99. Come on. 100. Let's get it. Network is pretty slow. Okay, we are in. Mostly there is so much noise here. So you click the speaker icon there to silence, to mute the sound. Okay, so now you don't just bet anyhow, you check what's really going on here. So now you have to check out the statistics. This is a game of cards. So when you look at those girls now on their right, you will see that they are letters A, B, or C. Those are the game cards. So what you need to do is you go to statistics by clicking the time icon there, the one who's sitting between the trophy icon and the X icon. So here we go. So we simply check the statistics. Number that is A, C, B. It's more like you're checking the frequency of occurrence. So A and C may come, and then we have B there. So we can go back. If it's your first time, it's very important to go by 2. What had we seen there? That was AC. C. There we go. AC. So we can come back here and make sure that we pick on the number of coins that we're going to bet on. But before we can actually participate, it's very important for you to observe what's really happening in relation to the statistics. So we had AC. So it's saying we didn't participate. So let's go back and check the statistics again. So it's saying, let's see, BA. Let's go back. We pick on the number of coins we're going to place on the bet. I keep on forgetting. What did we see? Was that BA or what? Okay. Okay, so BA, we can now click B and A. We simply click on there where you're seeing to my bubbles or the rubies which keep on moving around within the items and with the vessels where they're packed. Okay, so we've clicked on 100, meaning when we click here, we will actually bet 100 coins here. Also click there. Let me see, numbers are not changing. Me. Oh, so click on the other one as well. Check out 100. So there is 100 there. There is Jesus Christ. Okay, we can now place 100. No. So we have actually placed a bet. Let's see what will happen. You're waiting for time, which is counting down. 8, 7. This is not good. Whoa! Did you see that? I just won 5,300 something. Did you see that? I won, baby girl. Baby girl. So that's how we do it. That's how we do it. So now that's how you play golden flower. If you like the video, I urge you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, so that anytime I happen to post a new video, you happen to be alerted. Thank you so much for watching.